Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can check battery health of your Infinix device. I am giving you the method which is very easy and simple. As you guys know that this battery health option is only on iPhones, not in Android mobile. But I am giving you the trick. So I am giving you this method and this method is applied on all Infinix devices. So before starting the video, do subscribe us and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from this channel. And if you want any tips and tricks related to any Infinix device, so just comment below. Okay, let's start. All you guys have to do, just make sure that your phone has a strong Wi-Fi. Then after that, open Play Store and then search Ampere. I have already searched here. Then this application come. After that, install this application. It may take only 2 to 3 seconds. After that, open this application and manage it according to yourself. Then as you guys see that we have all detail about our phone battery. All we have to do is the max capacity is 5000 mAh and the default max capacity is also 5000 mAh. What is default? By the way, default, it's mean your phone contains 5000 mAh battery. That is called default max capacity, and max capacity means right now your phone battery capacity is 5000 mAh. So all you have to do is go to calculator and divide max capacity with default max capacity. So go to calculator, write about max capacity 5000 mAh and then divide it by default max capacity, which is 5000 mAh also, because Infinix Hot 40 and its default max capacity is 5000 mAh. As you guys know, for percentage we have to multiply it by 100. So the phone battery health of the device is 100%, and you guys also check it like this. For example, if your max capacity is let's suppose 4800 and you have Infinix Hot 40 which has default max capacity of 5000 mAh. So just 5 by 5000 mAh and multiply by 100. So it's mean your phone battery percentage is 96%. Right now my phone battery percentage is 100%. You guys also check the battery health like this method. And if this method helped you, so don't forget to like the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Just follow us for more interesting content. See you guys in next video. Take care.